What's going on, guys? So today is the day that we say goodbye to those ugly halogen lights that come on the stock GTI MK7 S model, and I think even sport model without the lighting package. But every other one gets some kind of LED, and mine are even more different. I got the WinPower Smile LED front headlights that match up with the red on the front grille, which is freaking awesome. So I'm gonna back my car up into the driveway and get to installing these. All right, so first things first, I have to get the tools necessary to complete this job, and also put on some gloves because I'm a lady and I don't want to get dirty. So before we can start putting on any headlights, we actually have to get rid of the old ones. So let's do that first. So to remove the old headlights, you actually have to partially take off the front bumper. The way I'm doing it, you're not gonna have to take off the front bumper entirely. I know some people do it that way because they feel it's easier. I think it's easier to not have to take off everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get rid of the bolts on the side, on the fender well. It's gonna be 3. Should be 1, 2, and actually 2 on either side. So let's do that first. So actually, I was mistaken. There is a 3rd bolt on the fender well, but you can't really get to it unless you turn the wheel. Maybe you could if you didn't have spacers on or like aftermarket wheels, because I remember getting to that without having to move my car at all. But I think I'm gonna have to turn my steering wheel. So that's how I'm gonna
Unit N, X band, K band, KA band, laser.
All right. Once you take those off, you're actually going to come to the top here and you're going to take off 1, 2 is all the way down there, 3 right over here, and then we're also going to remove 1, 2, 3, actually just 1 and 2 to remove the grill and pop that out as well. So after you've taken off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts, you should be able to pop this side of the fender out. And if you have a side mounted plate like I do, you're gonna have to take this off because otherwise the bumper won't pull out. So this is pretty much what you want to do. You want to drop it down so that you can get enough clearance on the headlights to actually pull them out. So I'm going to unbolt this side here, and then we'll do both headlights at the same time. Right here behind the headlight, and that's the last one you need to take out prior to taking out the headlights. Alright, so let's get this done. All I have to do is just, I think I have to replace a bulb. So I have to take a look at that first. Not sure if it came installed with the low beam bulb. If it didn't, then I'll just swap it over from the one I have right now. Otherwise, it's just a simple swap. But make sure that before you fully install the lights, or at least bolt it all down, just plug in the harness, make sure that everything's working correctly as it should, and then bolt everything down. You don't want to have to sort of, put everything together and then realize that you messed something up and you have to take it all over again. So make sure you do that. I have them all plugged in. Let's make sure these things are working. There's my parking lights. Ooh, look at those LEDs. There we go. Now we're gonna switch to my low beams. Ooh, they're like yellow. Aggressive. Likes. Let's check out the high beams. Fresh. Only thing is, chances are I'll probably replace the high beam for a white LED as opposed to that yellow incandescent bulb crap, because it just looks so much better. So let me install them now. Just put everything back together and see how it all looks. Also, I have to take off the eyelids from my other headlights and tape them back onto these headlights. So let's get over. Just a side note, guys, word of advice, that bolt down there behind the headlight needs to go in first, otherwise the rest of the light really won't line up. But let's keep working. One more tip. These things from the old headlight, these little brackets, you need to slide these off and put them on the new headlight. Otherwise, you won't have anything to screw them into. So make sure you do that. So guys, this looks amazing. Just finished bolting everything back up. I'm going to put the eyelids on and then I'll show you the final product, and oh my god, I think a lot more people are going to start using these lights. Alright guys, so that's the end of that video. I'm gonna finish this off just like ShopDap did, and just, this is what she does. I asked her to close out a video for me, or with me, and this is what she does. She just...
Take 3.
Yes, yes, that's perfect. Yeah, I've been shooting this for quite a while already, so...
Peace.
Okay, well we haven't said bye yet, so
bye.
whatever. Thanks very much for watching. Peace out.